Hi there, my name is Ryan Eastwick. I'm with Infratech Solutions, and we're going to be teaching you today about our S200 mainline crawler system. Now this robot is designed to crawl through mainline pipe ranging from 8 inches all the way to 48 inches. And its cable length is 646 feet, which allows you to get pretty much most of what you'll need. And if while you're crawling through a pipe you see an obstacle, you can use our elevator design, which allows you to lift up the camera head so you can see over that obstruction and continue on with your inspection. Now, as I mentioned, this robot comes with a controller, and you can control it using this controller. It has forward and backward motion, side to side. It also allows you to tilt the camera head any which way you want, 360 degrees rotation and 180 degrees up and down. You can also adjust the speed of it, as well as the turning speed and how fast it crawls through the pipes. And we also have an elevator design which allows you to get over those obstructions in the pipes. Lighting settings on it, 8 brightness, and it also has auxiliary lights, all of which are LEDs, so they'll have a long lifespan, and it'll overall be a very good workhorse for your system. Here's a demonstration of the elevator system. And when it's in this elevator state, it allows you to view over the obstruction that could be preventing you from continuing your inspection. A lot of crawlers get stuck because of this. The operator tries to crawl over the obstruction, whereas we believe that this will allow you to see over that obstruction, and then you can go down the pipe on the other side to complete your inspection without any risk of your crawler getting stuck. And I'm sure we all know how much of a hassle that is when that happens. This is a demonstration of the crawler's turning and speed capabilities. We're going to drive forward real quick, and then we're going to drive backwards now. This is a demonstration of the crawler's turning capabilities. Whenever you're going back through the pipe to get your crawler out of the pipe, it's very difficult to see. That's why we have a backup camera along with a backup light. This is a demonstration of the crawler's lighting settings. We're going to be beginning from the lightest setting and moving up to the brightest setting. This is the lightest setting. And this is the brightest setting. Now we're going to look at the auxiliary lights for the system. This is the lightest setting for the auxiliary lights. And this is the brightest setting for the auxiliary lights. This is a demonstration of the lighting capabilities in an actual inspection environment. You can also get an idea of the camera quality as we're able to see every little crack inside of this reinforced concrete pipe. And no crawler system would be complete without the ability to retract your cable system using a remote control. Our crawler system weighs about 30 pounds. Our competitor's crawler system likely to weigh more than. This hook allows you to easily attach a rope and lower your crawler down to begin your inspection. Our tiger tail system prevents the wire from getting cut around those sharp manhole corners. Now let's take a closer look at the crawler. The crawler comes in 6-wheel and 4-wheel drive configurations. The 6-wheel drive configuration uses the smallest wheel and can be unscrewed with just one screw right through the center there. There is already one wheel attached when it is using the 6-wheel drive configuration. The 4-wheel drive configuration comes in 3 separate wheel sizes. Here is the medium wheel. It can be easily unscrewed with just one screw. The largest wheel set can also be unscrewed with just one wheel and is shown here. The smallest four-wheel configuration system is located right here, and it is always attached to this system, even when it is using the largest diameter wheels. It can also be taken off with one screw for maintenance and cleaning. Now let's go back and take a look at the smallest wheel configuration for the 6-wheel configuration setting. That's this wheel right here, and that wheel stays on all the time. However, it can be removed with just one screw. Now, let's take a look at the cable reel system. The cable reel system that we sell is 656 feet of cable. This is our demo unit, so our demo unit does not have nearly as much cable as that. However, it comes with an automated cable reel, as well as a winch to operate the cable reel manually if need be. The cable reel can also be operated manually. If anything ever happens to the automated system, at least you can bring the crawler back and complete your inspection.
After you're finished manually winding the cable wheel, the winch can be stored safely on the cable reel itself. This is an overview of the command module for the S200 mainline crawler system. This is where you'll be recording all the videos and storing all the data from the inspections you complete. No inspection system would be complete without inspection software. This is very important for your system. It allows you to take notes, pictures, video, and make changes in real time. You can also monitor the status of the crawler in real time. A real-time image can be captured and given attributes, which can be given using our drop-down menus. We also have a remarks section to make additional notes. This can then be added to our integrated reporting software. Here's an example of the generated report. It features a pipe graphic, which is then marked with locations where features were captured. Some attributes include pipe length, pipe diameter, and remarks. After the inspection is completed, the pictures and videos can be saved along with the report, which will be generated as a PDF. The command module for the S200 is mobile and can be placed anywhere. It comes with a 250 gigabyte hard drive, a wireless keyboard, wireless mouse, and USB ports. It comes in a case which folds down to protect the system during transport. Our reporting software is not NASCO certified. However, Infratech Solutions remains distributors of WinCan VX and other WinCan software, all of which are compatible with the S200.